Welcome back. IDC has taken stringent measures to control irregularities in plot allotment. IDC will soon hike rates of land by almost 100 to 200%. Similarly, process is on to frame guidelines for transfer and sublease of land. IDC has also issued show cause notices to the firms who have bought plots and are lying idle. The formal decision is expected in the board meeting scheduled at the end of this month.
Board of Directors have taken various steps to control irregularities in IDC plot allotment. Firstly, the members have decided to hike rates of IDC plot. Prices are already hiked in Tuvae, Kakoda and Pisulle Industrial Estate. In Tuvae, old rates were Rs 300 per square meter. Now new rate is 1000 per square meter. Pisulle 275 rupees. New rate 750 rupees. Kakoda 400 rupees and new rates 750 rupees per square meter. However, there are no plots available in Verna, Mapsa, Kundal, Madkal, San Jose de Ariel, Pilen, Sankware, Thivi, Bicholi and Khorli industrial estates. Process is on to create plots at the new industrial estates at Betul and Shiroda. IDC has acquired 8 lakh square meters land in Betul and 3 lakh square meters in Shiroda. IDC is also planning to buy 3.5 lakh square meters of land in Pangin. General Manager of IDC Ajit Naik informed this to Prudent Media. IDC plots have been leased out to many and many have kept them unutilized. They also include some of the directors and officials of IDC. IDC has now issued show cause notices to all in this connection. There are about 70 of such plots lying unutilized in industrial estates across Goa. IDC has now decided to frame guidelines for transfer and subleasing of the plots. This formal decision is expected in a board meeting by end of September. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
North Goa District Magistrate Mir Vardhan has issued orders following terror threat to the state. Order says visitors will not be allowed in any hotel and guest houses without producing photo identity proofs. Prohibition of use of cyber cafe by unknown persons has been restricted. Cyber cafes will have to maintain a register noting detailed identity of visitors. The order has been enforced in North Goa from 11 September.
As per the intelligence inputs regarding terror threats to western coast of India, North Goa District Magistrate has ordered impediments on cyber cafes and commercial shops. This is to avoid misuse of electronic communication medium. It is known that antisocial elements or terrorists use cyber cafes for availing facilities like sending and receiving emails. Therefore, the order states strict compliance of the following points. Prohibit use of cyber cafe by unknown persons, maintenance of a register for recording identity of visitor, entry with self-handwriting of the visitor with proper address, contact number and signature, identity of visitor to be established only through a government identity card, activity server logs should be preserved in main server for at least 6 months, suspicious activity of visitor should be informed to the police station, maintenance of record about specific computer used by the visitor. Quoting police report, collector says, criminals with an intention of committing crimes in Goa stay in guest houses and hotels with bogus identity, which then becomes a hindrance to locate the culprit based on the information. Hence, certain checks should be put by the owners of the hotels. Collector's order mentions that no owner of the hotels, lodging and boarding, private guest houses or paying accommodation bodies shall allow visitors without proper identity proof. The visitor should provide a photo identity card such as the smart card, election card, employment card or an ATM card. The identity card should be recognized by authorities, hotels and guest houses. The order has been issued from 11 September till 10 December unless withdrawn earlier. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Zuari workers along with Sanjay Desai's family marched to Verna police station seeking justice for the deceased Sanjay. They shouted slogans and have demanded arrest of security company chief Dalip Singh and his bodyguards. However, one of Dalip's bodyguards have been arrested and Dalip Singh is missing since the day of the incident.
Zuari workers along with family members of late Sanjay Desai plunged to Verna police station on Wednesday. They are demanding justice to the bereaved family of Desai. They have demanded that the security guard should be arrested immediately.
सुमार 150 लोक गेलेले लेडीज आले जायते आणि दलित सिंगाक कित्याक अरेस्ट करूंक ना आमी विचारूंक लागले तेन्ना आमी सांगले कालूच आमी नीरज पांडे म्हणटा ताका अरेस्ट केला आणि दलित सिंगाची तो एंटी सेप्ट बेलीक गेल्लो ती रिजेक्ट जाली सेशन कोर्टान आतां ताणें हायकोर्टान घाल्ला तर मॅटर चड करून फ्रायडे येतलो तेजो आनी तेजे उपरांत हायकोर्ट कितें डिसिजन दिता ते प्रमाणे ताका फुडें अरेस्ट करतले.
Brother of deceased Vijay Desai claims investigation is at a snail's pace.
म्हाका दिसता हेजी इन्क्वायरी जाल्ला एकदम अस्वस्थ आहा इतले फास्ट चलना इन्क्वायरी एकदम अस्वस्थ आहा इन्क्वायरी अजून म्हणल्यार काय ताका तो दलीप कुमार आमी जे आरोपी आहा तो दलीप कुमार ताका अजून अरेस्ट करूं ना आमी FIR केल्ली 25 ऑगस्ट FIR केल्ली ताका आतां 17 दिवस जावन गेले अजून म्हणल्यार कांयच हें जावना ताका अरेस्ट बी काय जावना.
एक म्हणजे जसे सुतान स्वर्ग गाठप आसता तसे एक मेळ्ळो ऑटोमॅटीक सगळें मेळटलें आनी जशी आमकां आतां म्हायती मेळ्ळ्या तरी आमकां दिसता की पयलीं जें घडलां तें घडलां पूण आतां तरी खंय तरी मातशें सारकें सरळ चल्लां.
द मेन ब्लेम इज ऑन ज्वारी मॅनेजमेंट. ज्वारी सारख्या प्रगतशील कंपनीचे जे आमी एका टायमार म्हणटाले बरी कंपनी म्हणून त्या कंपनीच्या एका कामगाराक आत्महत्या करपाक लायला हो एक मोठो निशेध करपाची गजाल आसा आनी म्हणून आमी आयल्यात.
Sanjay Desai was working for Zuari Holdings Limited. On 24th August, he was found drowned in Zuari River. His body was later found at Akshi. It is alleged that Sanjay committed suicide following harassment from Dilip Singh. Currently, Dilip Singh is missing and his bodyguard Neeraj Pandey is under police custody. Dilip Singh and his bodyguard have filed an appeal in the High Court for anticipatory bail. The bail was earlier rejected by Margao Sessions Court. Reporter Surendra Matkekar for Prudent.
Members of the Institute of Menezes Braganza are divided over the revision of the clause of candidature which confines chairmanship only to literate. The members of the institute have for now accepted the new chairman Sanjay Harmalkar, who is an artist, however refusing any such amendment to the clause.
The renowned artist Sanjay Harmalkar, who has been suggested by the government for the chairmanship of Institute Menezes Braganza, was sworn in on Wednesday. The new chairman says the amendment to the constitution allowing artists of all trades to get candidature for the chairmanship is required.
तर ह्या चारूय भाषांनी काम करणारो चारूय भाषाच्या साहित्याचेर काम करणारो कवितेचेर काम करणारो चित्रकलेचेर काम करणारो कोणी मनीस ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनचो अध्यक्ष जावं शकता. हे आमचें मत कित्याक सगळ्या भाशांचे सगळ्या कलेचेरूय काम करणारी जर ही संस्था आसा जाल्यार ह्या कलेन काम करणारो कोणी मनीस हेचेर अध्यक्ष जावं शकता. तरी सुद्दां काही लोक जर आक्षेप घेतात हेचेर आमचें म्हणणें जर हे इन्स्टिट्यूशन कले खातीरूय काम करता चित्रकले खातीर काम करता संगिता खातीर काम करता गोंयच्या कळ्ळें न्हू गोंयच्या कल्चराचेर जे संगीत आसा हांगासरले लोकल फोक आर्ट आसा आनी कितें आसा साहित्य कविता ह्या सगळ्यांचे जर काम करता जाल्यार तेच्या त्या भाशेन त्या हेतूंतले ज्ञान असलेले कोणी ताचो अध्यक्ष जावं शकता हें आमचें म्हणणें आसा.
The president of Konkani Academy has ridiculed the requirement of the amendment. He says major amendments of this nature need to be deliberated upon.
सरकारान ताका नॉमिनेट केला आणि आमच्या लक्षात आयलें की सरकारान लिटरेचर हातूंतलो मनीस फिल्डांतलो दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लो तरी सुद्दां ताणी तसो दिवना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान तशें सांगलां तरी सुद्दां सगळो जनरल कावन्सील जो आसा ताणी संजय हरमलकराच्या नांवाक हरकत घेतली ना कारण ते इमिनेंट अशे पेंटिंग आर्टिस्ट आसा बरे तरेचे चित्रकार आसा आणि सरकारान ताका नॉमिनेट केला म्हणटकूच आमी सरकाराचो आप आनी मान राखपाचें आमी काम केलें. जनरल कावन्सिलाचे पूर्ण बैठकीकूच अमेंडमेंट येता अध्यक्षाच्या बदलाचो हे अतिशय चुकीचो आशिल्लो संकेतूय. कायदेशीर जरी कितें बाब असली तरी सुद्धा एक स्पिरीट म्हणून आसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे त्या स्पिरिटा भायर ते आशिल्ले. आमी त्या अमेंडमेंटाक विरोध केलो आणि आमी अशे तरेन सांगलें की अशे तरेचो अमेंडमेंट येवंक शकना. होच की एक घटना बाह्य आशिल्लो मुद्दो जो खरें म्हळ्यार दुर्दैवान येवपाक जायना आशिल्लो तसो.
Surprisingly, after 2.5 years of cat and mouse games, the Constitution of Institute has seen the light of day, with its first executive meeting being held after 3 years now. Our reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.